Looks nice.
That's nice. Ben, you want to wear that?
Very nice.
It's retro, isn't it? Like, it looks old fashioned.
Yeah. Looks very like retro. I like it.
Got any mirrors? Yeah, there's a large.
Yeah, you gotta stand you.
No, you don't. There's one here.
Oh, right. Sorry. Is that the one you meant or no?
I did say that.
Sorry.
What do you reckon, Eve?
Yeah, it's nice, mate. Retro, isn't it?
Yeah,
It looks
cool.
retro.
Looks good on that.
Bloody lovely.
Which one?
First time seeing the kit today.
I've seen like photos of it, but
Yeah.
first time seeing it like in person.
What do you reckon?
It's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. And it looks great with Cardano's boots as well. Big shouts to Carl. Lending me his boots.
They're really
Yeah, they're not
soft.
tight.
Socks are lovely.
Boots. And then I can get started. I'm ready, guys. I'm swift. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. Look at my nails. That is spot on, isn't it? Smashed that. As Has just beat me to it.
Do that. Stay there. One more.
Looks right, doesn't it?
Lovely.
That's cool.
We're looking at these. Yeah.
Do you want to do headshot first?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Going on forever.
They go all the way up my body, these.
What do you reckon, Deej?
I like it, man. It's a good fit, to be fair. Small's perfect.
I feel like I've been serious the whole time.
I think because it's quite dramatic, the lighting, and quite moody.
Yeah, you can't then be like.
Yeah. It's
That face is going to make the cut. That'll make the cut.
lean all the way back. Yeah.
My bun.
Nice.
I used to have a chair like this when I was younger at my house. Not the ice
I was going to say.
and it was called the Cader Meddwl.
Does that just mean chair?
Yeah, thinking chair when I was naughty.
Thinking shit.
Sorry, Captain Man.
How dare you? Arms out, legs akimbo. There you go. One knee might be quite.
You're really awkward eye contact.
Ready? You count me down. 5. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
It's very tidy, nice patterns. I like the dragon very much.
Yeah, you know what? I like it. Very nice. What do you think?
I like a bit.
Yeah. That's not that bad. Yeah.
3/4 sleeves.
I mean, no, I'm fine. Wait, listen, mate, don't be square.